by sketching an oval for the central eye. Around it, draw concentric rings to define its layered eye structure. Add sharp, curved shape-like extensions. These give durple its iconic look. Step 2. Adding details to the face. Size the layers and make it pop. Don't forget to include small, pointed shapes extending outward. These are like spiky ornaments that give the character an alien vibe. Step 3. Drawing the neck and body. Now, draw a long, curved neck that stretches downward. Make it slightly tapered for a sleek, serpent-like appearance. As you extend the neck, maintain a smooth flow. This is key to capturing durple's dynamic posture. Step 4. Adding the fins or spines. On each side of the neck, draw rows of evenly spaced below of the neck. The spines add texture and a sense of movement to the character. Take your time to make them uniform. Step 5. Final touches. Lastly, add some subtle details to bring durple to life. Enhance the curves, refine the shapes, and clean up any stray lines. At this point, you can also shade or add color to give it a more finished look. And there you have it, Durple Phase 9. Thanks for drawing with me today. Be sure to share your version of Durple Phase 9 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun drawing tutorials. See you in the next video.